Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching SW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. The customs have arrested Congress leader Shashi Tharoor's personal assistant at Delhi airport after he was allegedly caught smuggling gold at the airport. According to reports, Tharoor's PA Shiv Kumar was caught taking gold from a person who had returned from an international tour. He was allegedly apprehended while taking gold from the said person. Police have launched an investigation into the matter. More details are awaited. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to embark on a 45-hour meditation on Vivekanand Rock Memorial starting today. Around 2,000 police personnel and security agencies will be posted to maintain a tight security as the Prime Minister meditates. No tourist will be allowed on the beach for 2 days. The beach will be out of bounds for tourists from Thursday to Saturday and private boats will not be allowed to ferry. On the other hand, the Congress party has told the Election Commission of India that this meditation of PM Modi violates the Model Code of Conduct and restrictions imposed on a candidate during the silent period. A political controversy had erupted in Maharashtra over the inclusion of the verses from Manusmriti in the state school curriculum. This uproar intensified when Nationalist Congress Party Sharad Chand Pawar leader Jitendra Awad accidentally tore a photo of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar while burning a copy of Manusmriti. Awad has since apologized for the incident. Jitendra Awad was protesting against the inclusion of Manusmriti in the curriculum by burning a copy of the ancient text in Mahad. Mahad holds historical significance as it is the site where Baba Saheb Ambedkar burned Manusmriti in 1927 by opposing the caste system. Delhi Health Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj has accused Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena of trying to defame the state government by saying that it did not do anything for the prevailing heat waves conditions in Delhi. According to a letter to Delhi Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar, Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena observed that despite the unusual severity of the heat wave, no instructions had been given by the state government to protect labourers. He also accused the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his cabinet of lacking sensitivity and seriousness. In response to the comments made by former Union Minister Manishankar Iyer on Chinese aggression in 1962, Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera said that former had said in a slip of tongue and he had also apologized for his statement. Pawan Khera added that it is not a big issue. It was a slip of tongue and he has apologized. A total of 57 minors, including 31 girls and 26 boys, were rescued from the slaughterhouse in UP's Ghaziabad. This was following a joint operation by the police and the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. A senior police officer stated that due to the poor economic conditions of their families, these children were brought from their respective states to Ghaziabad on the pretext of providing jobs. The centre has started process of granting citizenship certificates under the Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024 in West Bengal. The first set of applicants from the state were granted citizenship by the Empowered Committee. The Empowered Committees of Haryana and Uttarakhand also granted citizenship to the first set of applicants under the CAA. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.